This video covers the track and accessory hardware modifications to the Lionel train layout. The layout is built using the Lionel fast track system. The curved and straight parts of the track are not modified. The only parts that are modified are the manual switches. The manual switches have a micro servo motor attached to the shaft of the switch control stand. The switches are controlled by two Arduino Unos. Uno number 1 is used to control switches 1 through 10, while Arduino number 2 controls switches 11 and 12. An HC06 Bluetooth slave-only module is used to connect the Arduinos to a computer. In the video, you can see a test circuit in which you have a servo motor attached to a right-hand switch. The Arduino connects to the servo motor, and a single-pole, single-throw switch connects to the Arduino. As the switch is activated and deactivated, you can see the train switch move from one position to the other position. As you can see in the picture, the controller is connected to a 282 crane accessory. The controller is connected to the crane by a number of wires that send control signals to the motor, solenoid, and electromagnet that are part of the 282 crane. The controller is connected to a PC through Bluetooth using an HC06. The HC06 is then paired up with a PC. The PC runs a communication program called PuTTY. PuTTY sends numbers to the controller, which in turn sends signals to the crane's motor, solenoid, and electromagnet to move the crane right or left, electromagnet up and down, and to activate the electromagnet. The video shows the 282 crane and a screenshot of the PuTTY program. The job of the crane is to move a part from the train car to a tray on the crane's opposite side. A series of commands, numbers, are sent to the controller to complete the job. Step number 1, 4, lowers the electromagnet to the train car. Step number 2, 5, activates the electromagnet. Step number 3, 3, raises the electromagnet. Step number 4, 1, rotates the crane 180 degrees. Step number 5, 4, lowers the electromagnet to the tray. Step number 6, 7, deactivates the electromagnet and the part drops to the tray.